Is the Pop Mart Baby Molly Pocket Friends series really worth the hype, or is it just another cute collectible that falls short in real life? In this video, we're diving deep into the Feeling Blue edition, a limited-run vinyl plush pendant that features the beloved Molly character in a soft, emotional style. Designed to tug at your heartstrings, this tiny figure doubles as a keychain, making it not just a collectible, but something you can carry with you everywhere. The standout design includes cat-themed features that fans are absolutely raving about, especially the black and yellow outfits that many say are the best part of the whole series. Social media is flooded with comments like "so cute," "adorable," and "instant favorite," with some collectors even going out of their way to hunt down every single version. But despite the overwhelming cuteness, not everything shines. Some buyers noted that the whiskers and small details don't quite live up to the crisp, high-quality look in the promotional images. There's also growing frustration about its limited availability, with resellers driving up prices and making it harder for regular fans to get their hands on one without overpaying. While the overall reception is positive and it's clear this series is touching hearts, the quality control issues and resale market woes add a layer of disappointment for some. So before you click buy now, watch till the end to find out if this charming little friend is truly worth your money or if it's better admired from afar. Whether you're a collector, a fan of Pop Mart, or just someone who loves unique keychains, this review will help you decide if Baby Molly Pocket Friends deserves a spot in your collection. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and the latest updates on the hottest collectibles.